Imagine waking up tomorrow morning and discovering that your company's entire infrastructure has been exposed. Database passwords, AWS keys, payment processor credentials, internal API tokens, everything. And it wasn't a hacker, it wasn't ransomware, it wasn't even an employee, it was an AI coding agent. Today I want to show you a scenario that sounds crazy at first, but is becoming more realistic every month. Because the biggest risk with AI isn't intelligence, it's permissions. Most people think AI security is about jailbreaks or prompt injections, or whether the model says something dangerous. But that's not what worries me. What worries me is when companies stop treating AI like software and start treating it like an employee. The moment an AI gets access to GitHub, terminals, APIs, databases, or cloud infrastructure, the risk changes completely. Now it can take actions, and actions have consequences. Imagine a startup with 10 developers, they're growing fast, deadlines are everywhere, so they decide to use Cloud Code to speed things up. At first everything is amazing, the AI fixes bugs, writes tests, updates documentation, creates pull requests, everyone loves it, productivity goes up, trust goes up, and eventually permissions go up. One day, a developer gives Claude a simple task: fix the deployment issue, update the API integration, push the changes. Nothing unusual. The AI starts working, it reads files, runs commands, checks configuration, looks through the repo. Exactly what a human developer would do. Then it finds something interesting, a file called .env. Inside that file are the company's secrets: database credentials, AWS access keys, payment provider tokens, authentication secrets. The AI doesn't see danger, it sees information that helps complete the task. That's the important difference. Humans recognize sensitive data, AI sees context, and context is useful. While reorganizing files and fixing configuration issues, the .env file accidentally becomes part of the changes. Then the AI runs a command developers use every day: git add, git commit, git push. 3 commands, a few seconds, and the damage is done. The AI has just uploaded the company's secrets to a remote repository. Now imagine that repo is public, or maybe someone accidentally makes it public later, or maybe a contractor has access, or maybe an automated scanner finds it, because attackers don't manually search GitHub anymore, bots do it automatically, 24 hours a day, looking specifically for exposed secrets. Suddenly attackers have cloud credentials, database access, internal API keys, the company starts rotating secrets, disabling accounts, checking logs, investigating damage, emergency meetings begin. Everyone asks the same question: who pushed this? And the answer is uncomfortable. Nobody. The AI did. But even that answer isn't completely true, because the AI didn't decide to become dangerous. Humans gave it the authority to become dangerous. The model wasn't the problem, the permissions were. The AI simply used the access it had, exactly as designed. This is why every AI agent should start with the same principle. Read access is cheap, write access is expensive. Before an AI can push code, deploy software, call APIs, or modify infrastructure, there should be controls: human approval, protected branches, secret scanning, audit logs, clear permission boundaries. The same controls we expect from human engineers. The future of AI isn't chatbots. It's agents that can take actions, and once software can take actions, security becomes a governance problem. The question is no longer how smart is the AI. The question is, what is the AI allowed to do? Because the next major AI incident probably will not start with a hacker. It will start with a perfectly normal task and one permission that nobody thought twice about. Everyone is talking about how powerful AI is. Very few people are talking about what happens when AI gets permissions. If you want real-world AI security, agent experiments, and cybersecurity content without the hype, follow for more.